Good afternoon. Let's go outside. I don't know, it looks like it wants to rain, but it's very humid. Very, very humid. All right, what's for lunch? What is for lunch, y'all? What is for lunch? See, how's my magnolia? My magnolia baby tree doing? Continues to sprout, continues to grow. Yeah, it's so humid. Anyway, let's go make lunch. Kenton took this out, so I assume he wants some Jell-O. This is fruit cocktail and some cherry gelatin. Should I make this for him? Should I be a good wife and make it? All right, maybe. Hey boo, I'm making you the Jell-O.
Oh, yeah.
I saw you got that. This is cherry. So pretty, and it smells good. We're gonna add cold water once this all dissolves. This is cold water. Just put the rest in a plastic container. Put it in the fridge. So I want to make these potatoes really quickly, so because I don't have a lot of patience right now, so I'm going to parboil them before frying them. That's really the fastest way to cook potatoes if you want them roasted or if you want to fry them in a real hurry. Just parboil them first for a few minutes until they're al dente. You don't want to boil them till they're soft. You want to boil them till they still have a little bit of firmness to them. And I don't know if you know, but the kids are not here. We are actually empty nesters, and we'll talk about that in another video, I'm sure. But it's been an interesting adjustment. And so I was sitting looking at the potatoes thinking, you know, to cook a lot, and then I had to remind myself it's just Kenton and I. So that's why I'm only doing three pitiful potatoes. Because technically one serving size is one potato. You don't really need to eat more than one potato, but you know, when you cut them to fry them, it doesn't look like a lot. So that's why I'm doing 3, and I'll have the equivalent of 1 potato, and I'll give Kenton 2 potatoes worth of fries. Alrighty, clear up the mess. Okay, that was quick. Thing about potatoes, you want to keep them submerged in water if you're not actually cooking them, or else they'll go dark. I feel like some brown sugar hickory baked beans, and this is the vegetarian recipe. So yeah, no meat in this. Good source of fiber, supposedly. Bushes. Again, I'm used to cooking family-size meals, so that's why this tin is very large. It's going to be too much. I'll use what I want and what I need. And I think that's enough for 2 servings. And the rest we'll put in the fridge. I think these potatoes might be good. I don't want to overcook them. Yeah, I think they're good now. It's like right before you think they're done, stop it. I'll make sure I get all the water off. So I'm going to use a little bit of adobo, which does have a little salt in it, not much, because again, I like to watch my sodium intake. Put some garlic powder on there. Nice. And a little bit of paprika. I love paprika on potatoes. Not only for the color, but the flavor. So, and then we kind of toss it before frying it. Since it's kind of a late lunch, I'm also going to have some frozen spinach. I'm just going to quickly steam some frozen spinach and get my source of iron, but also it's nice to have a pop of green. I love spinach. And when I have a lot, instead of leaving it fresh because I'm afraid it will spoil, I freeze it. My oil is very hot now. Be careful. I don't want to put too many at once because I want to have room for them to become crispy. Or at least the outside crispy and the inside soft. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, nice. So while my fries are going, I'm just going to make a quick cup of chai tea. Usually I make lemon tea, but today I feel like a cup of decaffeinated chai. This is how I make mine. My tea bag. I like to actually put the honey in it so that it melts at the same time along with the tea bag. like so. And then I just let this sit until I'm ready for it. I think that's a lot of potatoes for 2 people. Kenton just came down and was like, that's not enough. Back to my chai tea. Kenton is not a tea person, not really. He drinks coffee most of the time, or cold drinks. He prefers cold drinks. I've been staying away from dairy and, you know, don't use milk, but usually I use almond milk, but today I feel a little indulgent, so let's do a little half and half. Just a little. Ooh, so good, so good. I'm using my old-fashioned skillet. So that it stays crispy and hot. So this is Kenton's plate. I think that's enough, don't you think? The thing about spinach is it shrinks. I put a whole lot and, you know, by the time you steam it, it's all shrunk, like I have nothing. I miss baked beans. I kind of like a little bit on my potatoes. A little bit of scallions. And of course, this wouldn't be Habiba's plate if there wasn't ketchup. A generous amount of ketchup. And that's my plate. Baked beans, spinach, egg, and some home fries. Quick and easy. Ooh, hear that crunch? Thank you so much for watching this cooking vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like this type of content and it really helps the channel grow. So thank you again. But of course, I gotta show you what the Jell-O turned out looking like, right? And then we can go. Oh, and don't forget to come back on Sunday. I'll have a beautiful long vlog with my birthday shenanigans. It was a lot of fun. Wait till you see the surprise. It's beautiful. And I put it in a chilled dessert glass. And a little cream won't hurt. Kind of toppled over to the side.